How to respond when somebody is talking rudely to you.
Please talk gently with me. I am not comfortable with this kind of tone and language.
That's it. How to say sorry.
I am extremely sorry for having caused an inconvenience to you. I didn't mean to upset you.
Well said. Good job. When somebody has committed some mistake, that point of time you want to convey, you want to point out that there is a mistake. But when you convey such kind of mistake to people, they feel hurted. So, what is the right way of conveying this message to others? Let's see.
I think there might be a different approach to solve this problem. May I help you?
Good job. Sometimes many people they do something good to you and you want to say thank you, but you feel that that thank you is so small in front of that big deed he did to me. So, how to convey your message? How to say thank you if somebody has done really good to you? Let's see.
Thank you so much. I am highly obliged to you. Thank you so much for showing such a sweet gesture towards me.
Good job. We are into Narayana institution and we are always busy. Almost everyone is running here and there all the time, busy with some different fishes to fry. But sometimes we want somebody's help, and in that attempt, we say, "Sir, are you free?" It really hurts because we are always running. We are never free in this institution. Is there any different line we can replace this sentence with? Here we go.
Sir, if you are not too busy, I need your help.